Well, the big story in the Central Pacific, of course, has been Iselle. It's a storm that we've been following for the last several days, and we figured we'd use Google Earth here to take a look at some of the topography features and really just kind of figure out how the storm is going to affect the island in specific spots. Let's first zoom into Hilo, biggest city on the island, and Hilo does have some good things going for it as far as location goes. Mainly the fact that it's so low in elevation, because generally the winds get higher as you get higher up in elevation, so that's one good thing about Hilo. Now, the bad thing about where Hilo is that the storm's going to be coming in from the north and east, and some of the strongest wind will be coming in out of the north and east, and that's funneling basically right into this bay. So you're going to have the storm surge and again some very strong wind, probably some gusts over 70 miles an hour. There are other spots on the island where you're higher up in elevation where the wind's going to be a little bit worse. Here's a spot where it's about 1,000 feet in elevation, and just to give you an idea of how these winds increase with height, and again, this is a general rule of thumb in the atmosphere. You get higher up in the air, the winds generally increase. So let's just give you an example here, and again, kind of a rough sketch, a 3D model here of the Big Island over in Hawaii. But say you've got a 70-mile-an-hour wind at the surface. Up at 1,000 feet could be around 85, and likely up around 100 miles an hour by the time you get to 2,000 feet.